Assalamu alaikum students. Today we start next exercise 4.2 solution of question reducible to the quadratic question. There are certain type of question which do not look to be of degree 2 but they can be reduced to quadratic form. We shall discuss the solution of such 5 types of question one by one. Type 1, we have an equation like ax to the power 2n bxn plus c. Here we let xn is equal to y and get the given equation reduced to the quadratic equation. This is an example. Given equation, we make the same form and then we let x raised power 1 by 4 is equal to y. Now it becomes y square minus y minus 6, so it is quadratic, and then we factorize this. We place x raised power 1 by 2 whole square and it becomes x raised to power 1 by 4 square, and then let x 1 by 4 is equal to y. Now we factorize. Factor of 6 are minus 3 and 2, because when we add minus 3 and 2 it becomes minus 1. At the end we replace value of y is equal to x raised to power 1 by 4, and to remove 1 by 4 we're taking power of 4 both side, and this is the original solution 81 and 16. Second type, the equation of the form x plus a, x plus b, x plus c, x plus d. Here we add the constant terms and multiply those who have the same sum, like in example x minus 7, x minus 3, x plus 1 and x plus 5. Now here we arrange these factors like minus 7 plus 5 is equal to minus 2 and minus 3 plus 1 also equal to minus 2. Now we multiply these factors and their first two values are same because we arrange these values, and we let this same value equal to y, and then again we multiply these values and it becomes quadratic equation. Now factorize if possible, otherwise we can apply quadratic formula. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 38 and c is equal to minus 1575. And then solve for plus and minus. Here two values of y, because y is equal to x square minus 2x, we again simplify it and again we have a quadratic form in variable x, and if possible try to make its factor, like 63 its factor are 7 and 9, because we want to make minus 2, so we apply sign minus with the greater number, minus 9 plus 7, and in this form we have no factor, and then apply quadratic formula. If negative sign in a square root, it is equal to iota. Now third type, exponential question in which the variable occur in exponent are called exponential question. The method of solving such question is explained by the following examples. Solve the equation 2 raised to power 2x, 2 raised to power x plus 2 plus 32. We distribute 2x 2 raised to power x plus 2 in the form of 2 raised to power 2 and 2 raised to power x. 2 raised to power 2 is 4 and 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Now we let there 2 raised to power x is equal to y and 2 raised to power x is equal to y and 2 raised to power 2x is equal to y square. And then again we factorize factor of 32, 8 and 4. And then again we find value of y is equal to 2 raised to power x. Now we make the base same. 8 is equal to 2 raised to power 3, therefore x is equal to 3, and 4 is equal to 2 raised to power 2, therefore x is equal to 2. Next we have an example 4 raised to power 1 plus x and 4 raised to power 1 minus x. And then we break 4 raised to power 1 plus x like 4 raised to power 1 and 4 raised to power x. And 4 raised to power 1 and 4 raised to power minus x. And here we let 4 raised to power x is equal to y and 4 raised to power minus x means y raised to power minus 1, which is equal to 1 over y. And then we put these values. Here in denominator we have y, we multiply it y both side. If it's a factor or possible, try to make this avoid quadratic formula. Now here we have y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 by 2. To answer y is equal to 4 raised to power x, we can write 4 raised to power x is equal to 2 raised to power 2x. We compare the power of both sides. 2 raised to power 2x is equal to 1. It is equal to x is equal to 1 by 2. And here 2 raised to power 2x is equal to 1 over 2. We can write 1 over 2, 2 raised to power minus 1. Therefore we compare their powers. To x is equal to minus 1, therefore x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now this is fourth type, reciprocal equation. An equation which remain unchanged when x is replaced by is called a reciprocal equation. In such an equation, the coefficient of the terms equidistance from the beginning and end are equal in magnitude. The method of solving such equation is explained through the example. Let's see. Solve the equation x raised to power 4, its degree is 4. We divide it by x square and we divide each term by x square. x4 over x square is equal to x square, x cube over x square is equal to x square over x square is equal to 1, x over x square is equal to 3 over x and 1 over x square. Then we arrange like x square plus 1 over x square, first and last value, and 3 common from the second and second last term, and plus 4. Now here we let x plus 1 over x is equal to y. Here something is missing. We let here x plus 1 over x is equal to y, and then scaling and put these values to form this quadratic equation and factorize it. Now here we get the value of y 2 and 1, where y is equal to x plus 1 over x. Again in denominator is x, so we multiply it by x, and first equation becomes whole square, and second equation here is x square minus x plus 1. Now we apply quadratic formula on the second form. Okay student, this is last example for today. Hope you understand and try to solve each example. It is very important for the exercise work. Allah Hafiz.